Disney's All-Star Music Resort is a value resort at Walt Disney World and one of the cheapest resorts you can find there. But did you know they have family suites that sleep up to 6 adults? Let's have a look at the family suites at Disney's All-Star Music Resort. As you enter the room, you'll see the main living area, which has a couch, dining table, and TV. There's also a Hey Disney device in these rooms. These are always fun. You can get things like towels, ask it for trivia, things like that. There is a Murphy pull-down bed over both the couch and the dining table, so when those are both pulled down, you'll have 2 queen beds in here. Over the dresser, you'll find the first TV. There are also plenty of outlets along this space. And there is this super cute music note lamp to go with the theming of the room. In here, you'll find some pillows for the beds and plenty of space both in the cabinet and in the dresser drawers. There are more outlets and lighting between the 2 beds, which makes it really convenient for those using those spaces. You can individually control the lights on either side of the beds, which I really like. And they have nightstands on both sides of the bed too, so if you have 2 people sharing the beds, they can each have their own space, which is also really nice. In the first bathroom here, there is a closet and there is a vanity that is separate from the bathroom. Both the bathroom and the vanity area are able to be closed off, so each can have their own privacy from the main living area as well. This first bathroom has a tub and a shower and comes with Disney's bath products. Heading back into the main area, you'll go around the corner and you'll find the kitchenette. There is a full fridge in here with a freezer as well, which is awesome because many rooms don't have that. There is a microwave and a coffee maker. There is plenty of space above the sink area for storing food. And the room comes stocked with disposable cups, plates, and silverware. So if you're planning on making some food in here, makes it really easy and convenient. And you can always request more of these things also from housekeeping if you need them. You can actually use the Hey Disney device for that. From here, you can head into the bedroom. This bedroom does have its own door, which is great for privacy. There's a queen bed in here. There's a little chair and ottoman over in the corner, a second TV, another dresser, and a full-length mirror. The safe is located in here along with some more pillows for the Murphy beds. And again, you have a good amount of drawer space. On either side of the bed, there is a nightstand again, along with outlets and the ability to control the lighting. Is it very convenient? Going into the second bathroom, there is another closet. And again, the vanity area is separated from the bathroom, and you can also close off the door to separate it from the bedroom. All around, these bathrooms are great for getting ready in the mornings, gives you lots of options for privacy and multiple people to get ready at the same time. And in the second bathroom, there's just a walk-in shower with a dual shower head. So no tub in here, but at least you have one in the other one. Personally, I think rooms that have 2 full bathrooms are an absolute game changer, especially when you're talking about Disney. All right, let's come back out into this main area and we're going to pull down these beds. Obviously, for the bed that pulls down over the dining room table, you're going to pull away those chairs. You just pull the bed down. For the bed that pulls down over the couch, you're going to move the ottoman and pull the bed down. And here's a look at the artwork. Super cute. The family suites at All Star Music can range anywhere from $338 per night to over $650 per night, depending on when you're traveling and depending on availability. That is before any kind of discounts. And discounts are pretty much always available on these as long as the rooms themselves are not sold out. All of the family suites are going to be located in the Jazz or Calypso buildings, which are technically considered preferred buildings, so it makes it very convenient to the front building, the food court, and the buses. Overall, I think that these rooms are a great value if you're traveling with a larger party. Yes, they are located at a value resort, but you can get some pretty good deals on these rooms. So if you need a little bit of extra space or some extra privacy, I highly recommend checking out the All Star Music Family Suites. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.